Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a mouse and keyboard to your PlayStation 4, as well as a Bluetooth keyboard or mouse. This is really easy to do. So I have this USB mouse and keyboard that I have plugged into this USB hub, which gives me 4 additional USB ports. So if I have 2 that are used by my mouse and keyboard, I simply won't have enough space to plug in a headset. So I'm going to plug this into my PlayStation 4, and we only have the 2 front ports. So let's plug this in right now, and on the screen you'll see that it's actually going to pop up saying they're connected. Keypad right here to go back and forth, and then press enter, and you can see my mouse is already connected right here. So as soon as you connect them via the USB, they should be connected. Now you can always go up to settings right here, then go on down to devices, then you can go to Bluetooth devices. So if we go to Bluetooth device, we can connect a Bluetooth keyboard on here. So I have an Anker A7726. Now you want to put your keyboard into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So I'm going to turn this one on, and then I'm going to press the FN key and the Bluetooth button down at the same time. So this one's already connected, so I'll disconnect it and then forget the device on my PlayStation 4. So I'm going to press both these buttons down at the same time. So the FN and the Z key, and put into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And as soon as I let go now, this blue light will begin to blink. Now it should display on the screen somewhere, and it should pop up after about 5 to 10 seconds. Now just use your controller and go down to it and select it with X. Now you're going to have to type in a specific combination on the keyboard so you can actually connect it. Sometimes it will say please wait, and it will fail to connect the first time. Just go ahead and reconnect it. It should work the second time if it just takes too long. Now it says enter the following passkey on the Bluetooth device and then confirm. So let's type in 71926, press enter. Now the keyboard will be connected as soon as we connect it to an account. And I can go up and down now, and there's going to be specific shortcuts on your keyboard. So I use this keyboard a lot when I'm playing like Elder Scrolls Online or Rocket League. I can quickly text to type. I can quickly text everyone. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.